Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about my fitness routine, like how I toned my body, and it's very simple. So you can also do it at your home, and I also do yoga and stretching for daily basis. Okay, and like आज का जो video है guys, बहुत ही मतलब मज़ेदार होने वाली है. I'm sure like you will love my video. Okay, even like whatever I will be showing today. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit my bell icon, because like whatever I will update my video, you won't get any notifications. Okay, I mean like update whatever I will be updating daily basis. Okay, and yes, I just made this video just to show you like how I am making myself fit and sexy with like toned body. And I always do 25 to 30-minute exercise like stretching, yoga and jumping. And I want to tell you like guys, just take some time for yourself of 10 to 15 minutes so that it will gives you great physics and healthy body. Okay, and if you need detailed also, I mean, in this video, what I eat on my routine, like I will make separate video as well. Okay. And yes,
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead.
So that's all for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, likes and comments. Stay safe. Bye bye.